Being flexible, adapting to change, making better decisions. We have the right tool for you. The Trinity F90 Plus delivers aerial data in a highly automated, secure, and efficient way, enhancing decision-making processes in various industries. Its performance parameters combined with ease of operation and an unbeatable ROI make the Trinity F90 Plus an outstanding mapping drone for professionals in the market. The Trinity F90 Plus combines the convenient handling of a copter with the efficient aerodynamics and performance of a fixed-wing UAS. The result is a mapping drone meeting the highest demands on efficiency. The survey-grade accuracy and versatile application possibilities make the Trinity F90 Plus an unbeatable tool. Whether in the agricultural sector, in the mining business, or when inspecting construction sites, more data can be recorded in a given time than ever before. The Trinity F90 Plus can fly 90 minutes and longer, carrying various precision sensors of up to 700 G in a plug-and-play mode. Flying long corridors or mapping areas of 700 hectares with just one flight are use cases for the Trinity F90 Plus. All this without compromising on user-friendliness and operational safety. 3D planning, monitoring, and post-processing of a mission has never been easier. With Cubase 3D, we provide a flight planning and mission control platform that guides you through every single step of the workflow. Belly landings are a thing of the past. We unconditionally rely on vertical takeoff and landing to expand the lifetime of the UAS and the sensor, while reducing risk for the operator. Trinity F90 Plus and Cubase 3D master frequent changes in the fields of application. We provide a wide range of fully integrated survey-grade sensors for the Trinity F90 Plus. All payloads are plug-and-play and can be changed within seconds. The Trinity F90 Plus provides a more competitive return on investment than any other UAS. It is a high-performance UAS with great mission efficiency at a very attractive pricing. Included is an GNSS-based station, iBase. All this translates into an extremely competitive ROI. Do not compromise. The Trinity F90 Plus is the mapping drone for you.